This is purple, this is pink, and this is like, gray.
Silver.
This is like silver. This is the gray color. Whoa!
And stretch it, and stretch it, and stretch it.
Hi guys! Let's play with slime with slimy glue. Yeah! There's a mixing chart, but we're gonna make our own, right, Gia? Yeah. Let's open. Let's do that. That's a silver. I'm gonna use green. Oh. I'll mix them and I'll roll it. Squeeze. And then hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh! This looks like this is like a Dippin' Dots flavor or something. That's a beautiful one! I know! That looks like a girlish color. I know. I wonder what will happen with green and blue. Like a half piece. That. Let's see. Look at this. Oh, slimy. It's turning to something.
Oh.
There's green sparkles in the blue at the back of her. This is purple, this is pink, and this is like, gray.
Silver.
This is like silver. This is the gray color.
Mix everything. Go.
Whoa!
And stretch it, and stretch it, and stretch it.
Oh, it's magical. It looks like it's like unicorn. Unicorn color, yeah. It's like unicorn.
And stretch it, and stretch it,
Whoa.
and stretch it.
Oh, this is not long enough. Wow. I'm gonna make a rainbow. Slime. That's gonna be so pretty. Half of green. Green. Blue. Wow. Purple. We have a half of it. We have a half of indigo. Purple. Now I'll mix it together. I'll just put it together. Bum, bum, bum. Bum.
Okay. Ready? Put it together.
Like that.
And stretch it.
Oh, this part looks so
Look,
nice.
I like it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is my favorite one I made.
Wow.
Where's blue? Oh, I see blue. I'm making the US flag. The USA color. Blue. I made it as a square. And white. Red, white, and blue.
Okay, stretch it.
Stretch. I don't see white clearly. That's what I know. I see red and blue together. Blue, gold, orange, and also yellow.
Let's see.
Wow, look at the sparkles. If I just mix it all, it looks so nice. Wow. Two unicorns, one's unicorns. This kind of looks like the same like Leah's, like this one. Wait, look, I have the same like you. Yeah, this kind of looks like the same. Yeah, looks like it. I have the same like Leah's actually. Now I'm gonna make my unicorn slime with blue. It's gonna look more nicer. Wow! So nice. I can even see a blue. I can easily see a little bit blue. It looks so nice.
Stretch it.
Wow. Whoa, it's magical now. That's so very magical. With nice, beautiful sparkle. This and this.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, look at that. It's like it looks like a nice unicorn, a beautiful color.
You really love unicorns here.
It looks like a violet. She used to like princesses. It looks like a rainbow princess one. So because it has braids. Okay. A kind of dark blue, a Springfield green and gold. Let's see what happens. Stretchy. When you make a bubble, the Springfield green. Stretchy. This is a sapphire mixed with gold. Springfield green, pink, yellow, gold, and orange. Here's more orange. If you need clear orange, sure. That's peach, actually. That's actually peach. Steady. Again. Together. Roll them up. And mix. And actually, this is a nice light brown color. Look, this is a nice light brown color. Look, this looks like an ice cream color. Look, this candy
This is
from Dippin' Dots. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Who loves slime?
Me. I do. Look at this. One. Look at this. It's like a magical one.